Alright, today we're going to talk about how to use one of these pipe cutting tools to cut a copper pipe. As you can see here, we have a copper pipe. I'd like to cut it around the middle. All I do is make sure that this tool is all the way open, and if it's not, you can twist it one way or the other to open it or close it. Once it's all the way open, you make sure you know exactly where you want to cut. You put your pipe right in the groove, in the inside of the pipe cutter. Then what you do is you're going to start twisting the pipe cutter until it's closed on the copper pipe. And you can see right now it's fairly open, but with a few simple twists it will close down on this pipe. Now as it gets closer to getting closed, you can see it's got a couple little grooves where the pipe should be, and so you can put it right into that area and then just close it till it's like so. Now once like so, all you have to do is twist either the pipe or the tool around, and it's going to go ahead and mark. Now you twist it a little bit, twist the little knob on the pipe cutter tool more so that it's nice and tight, and then keep twisting. Then once it feels like it's moving pretty good, you twist it more, tighten it even more, and give it some more twists. You repeat this, twisting the tool shut more and turning the pipe around the tool, or you can do it like this if you want to turn the tool around the pipe. Either way, as long as you keep twisting it more closed and keep turning the pipe around, eventually it should come cut, and it should be a nice clean cut with this tool too. And you can kind of feel it when it's done. There it is. That's how you cut a pipe with a pipe cutter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.